had this dream where everyone yells screams, impossible to distinguish all the faces through the steam. There I can see those kids burning up the limousine, the misery. How do we cover them with despair? And yet they seem quite fine. They might not go to college, their life is determinative and if it's hard to acknowledge. And yet they got it by some kind of twisted passion. And you know all that can be undone by affirmative action. And in my dream I was down on my knees praying and hoping joy and laugh can be synonyms. I figured out that the world in which we're living in is so difficult to stand, especially when there is no friends in it to cheer you up and make you laugh. No one is there to fill your little empty heart, but please stay calm, just do not harm all the others who are there and sing this song. But how did we get to live in a world like this? I can better say this stuff or all this will ever stop. And I can stand saying those things. Everything we can do is to pull together to love each other.
I was